Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zeelicious fisherman soup. This guide will help you create a truly memorable dish, focusing on fresh ingredients and robust flavors. We will start by selecting the finest seafood and preparing a foundational broth that will elevate your soup to new heights. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this incredible recipe, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's build the heart of our soup, the broth. Begin by gently sautéing your aromatics in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Then, introduce 1 cup of diced tomatoes and a pinch of saffron for a beautiful hue. Deglaze with 1/2 cup of dry white wine, then add 4 cups of rich fish stock. Let this simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld perfectly. With our broth ready, it is time for the star ingredients, the seafood. Select a delightful mix, perhaps 1 pound of firm white fish like cod, 1/2 pound of succulent shrimp, and 1 pound of fresh mussels. Add the firmer fish first, letting it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, introduce the shrimp and mussels, cooking until the shrimp are pink and the mussels have opened, ensuring everything is perfectly tender. Finally, let's perfect our Zeelicious fisherman soup with some finishing touches. Taste and adjust the seasoning with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir in 1/4 cup of vibrant, fresh chopped parsley or cilantro just before serving. Ladle the hot soup into bowls, offering warm, crusty bread for dipping. A fresh lemon wedge on the side adds a delightful, zesty flourish, completing this magnificent meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.